Step 1. Click on File /Save As /Browse /File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM /Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert /Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Start off by stating the file path of the Word document that you wish to split by keywords in line 15. Step 2. Then amend the name of the sheet that it will export the data into from summary to the specific sheet name that you want it to be. Step 3. Then amend line 74 to include the name of the export file path for the files that will be exported. Step 4. Then amend line 85 where it says text to the keyword that you wish it to be to separate the Word documents out by keyword. What it does, the code will import the Word document into Excel and will then delete the odd-numbered rows and will then search for the keyword that you have asked for it to look for and will then create a series of different Word documents based on that info and will then export them into chunks.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.